Welcome guys, today I'm with the Marshall Emberton wireless speaker and I'm going to show you how you can fix connection problem. So as you can see, my speaker is on the available devices list, the Bluetooth is turned on, but when I try to select my speaker, unfortunately I'm unable to connect. As you can see, there is notification. I'm going to show you one more time that smartphone rejected the connection, the speaker rejected. So how to fix it? At the first, I can recommend you to click and hold the icon and then remove it from the list. But in my case, it's not working. But in some different smartphones, like for example on the iPhones, on any Android phones, it works. So at the first, just remove this speaker from this list. But if you cannot make it, like in my case, just go back right here, then power off the Bluetooth. And when the device is turned on, just click and hold this Bluetooth button. Keep holding for 7 seconds. It's blinking, and after a few seconds it will disappear. Yeah, just like that. As you can see right now, it's completely turned off. We made a hard reset of this speaker, and right now it turned on back, and as you can see right now it is in the pairing mode because this icon is blinking. So what we have to do right now, simply open the Bluetooth one more time on your phone, click to pair new device, take a look right here. As you can see, the Emberton shows on the list, so tap on it once. As you can see right now, we can finally connect this speaker with our Android smartphone, the Marshall Emberton with a Nokia smartphone in this case. So that's how you can fix it. Just remember to remove the device from already or previously connected devices, power off Bluetooth, perform a hard reset of the speaker, and after that you will be able to finally use this speaker with your phone. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.